guys, this is the Smiggle review number 3. So let's get started. Got it. The rest. Smiggle purple medium zipper pencil case. Okay, here. So this is my Smiggle purple medium pencil case. So each side has 6 zips. So in a total there are 12 zips. So at the end here there's this keychain which my friend gave it. Another small keychain which I bought. So I bought this pencil case for $9.95 if I'm not wrong. So go. Purple zipper. Yep.